try this again. So this is a snowstorm 2009. Pretty awesome. It's coming down pretty good right now. It's probably already like 7 or 8 inches on the ground. Down here you can kind of see out by the pool there how deep it is.